evening.
Alright, today is our speaking test, and I want you to introduce your name. Tell me what's your age and where do you live. Okay, let's start with you.
My name is Ken. I'm 12 years old and I live in Hanoi.
Very good. What about you?
My name is James. I'm 13 years old. I live in Hanoi.
Very good. Both of you live here in Hanoi. Okay, now can you tell me some festivals do you celebrate or you are celebrating here in Vietnam?
The
Festivals.
festival celebrated in Vietnam is
Are?
Test Holiday.
Can you share? What else? Tet Holiday and
The holiday is Hung King Festival.
Hong Kong, and the other one is
Summer
Mid.
Festival.
Yeah, summer and
Mid Autumn.
Festival. That's correct. Okay, you help each other. Now, about the Tet Holiday time, can you tell me what are the special traditions you usually do in Tet Holiday?
Is normally cook and
Cook banchan
and display flower.
Display.
Display flower.
Fireworks. What about you? Tet Holiday, what are the special things you do in that occasion?
The special I do in the Tet Holiday. I visit my grandma.
Mm-hmm. And what else do you do? Visit grandma and
I clean the house.
yes, clean the house. Very good. Now let's move on to part 2. Part 2, exchange information. So, candidate B is, who is candidate B? You, right? And you will be candidate A? Or you will be candidate A and you will be candidate B, okay? Ready? Go.
When Hung King Temple Festival celebrate.
Hung King Festival celebrated is
Annually.
a 10-day of third lunar month.
Okay, next.
How often Hung King Temple Festival celebrate?
The Hung King Festival celebrate is annually.
Annually. Okay, or once a week. Okay, but the question is how often, how many, like how many days or times do you celebrate the Tet Holiday or Hung King Festival? So only once a year, okay? Once a year. Next question.
Where Hung King Temple located?
So where is Hung King Temple?
The Hung King Festival located is Phuthong.
Mm-hmm.
Where Hung Temple
Commemorated.
Who commemorated this festival?
What would we commemorate?
The commemorative festival is Pushit of Hunger.
Okay, worship.
What active we
Activities.
what active
Activities.
what activity visit to
Can
experience say?
okay, what activities
The activity
are
is performed from the
what is this? Procession
processions
from the
foot of the
monument
monument to High Temple to
pilgrims
children
offer prayers
and
incense up to
to their action.
Ancestors. Okay, so next question. What is?
What's this country?
The dancing is several dancing included one pig, one goat, one cow,
One cow.
one cow together with some cakes like cheesecake, a day cake, and 5 covered sticky rice. Sticky rice.
Okay, so we are finished. Okay, again, some of the words you cannot pronounce well. So I told you to practice at home. It seems like you did not practice how to read. Activities, you cannot read. Experience, you cannot read perfectly. Okay, now let's move on to the final test. The final test, you have to choose which cocktail you will present at school. Okay, let's start with Ken. I want to.
The folktale is Little Red Riding Hood. I choose Little Red Riding Hood because Little Red Riding Hood is
Good story.
Good story.
What else? What is the good story? Or what is the moral lesson?
The good story is
No, what's the good lesson that student can learn for this cocktail?
you can study a lesson with
The lessons are you should be
listen young
Yeah.
and you shouldn't and you must speak with the bad people.
Okay, so listen to your parents. Do not listen to bad people. Do not talk to bad people and be
And
smart. Okay. What about you, John?
I like Little Red Riding Hood.
Same. Why?
I choose Little Red Riding Hood because the film is very interesting. The lesson is
The lesson
the lesson are we need to listen
to our
to our parents.
parents.
We should be smart.
Yes. And
We need to stay away from children.
all the dangers or from the bad people, right? So don't talk to bad people. Okay. Well done. Today, that's the end of our speaking test. Say goodbye to teacher now.
That is
goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you again.